I teach him how to speak Bisaya language. Okay. Baho lubot mo.
Bahu lobok mo.
Baho bilat mo.
Bahu bilat mo.
It means nice to meet you.
No, it doesn't.
No.
Bahu. Got a stinky booty,
Hello.
right?
Yes. the other the some words I teach you what you don't know no.
Bahu
Hello.
stinks.
Hello, you
Lobok,
know-
booty.
Inujay. I think you practice sa
No.
Bisaya.
I just know a couple words. I got a stinky booty.
Not you.
Santino Bahu.
Oh, Santino.
Mo.
Stop. Daddy is mad. Stop daw. Santino, Daddy said, baho lubot mo.
I don't care.
Are you angry? Angry? Agree? Oh, yun. Kabalo na siya mag-speak Bisaya language. Nakabalo siya sa baho lubot mo. Pero sa usana, baho bilat mo. You don't know. what it means in English. But ayaw na kay Bastos.
Asshole.
That's it.